Today we're starting out with the all-new HyperFoam wheel cleaner and tire prep.
The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pressure wash and pre-rinse the tire to make sure we remove any loose dirt and debris.
Our HyperFoam wheel cleaner and tire prep does a very good job of removing that bonded contaminants. We have built into the formula an iron remover, so it actually helps to reduce or remove that iron contaminant from the rotors and the brake pads to get the wheel cleaned down to the barrel of the wheel. And what a better way to show how proud you are and meticulous you are about cleaning your car than making sure that wheel is clean all the way through.
I'm going to spray it on the tire, making sure I get an even, nice coverage over the whole tire and the rim.
The other advantage of the product, it actually has a keep clean additive. So once you use it, it leaves a barrier behind to make future wheel cleaning a lot easier. The other part was the tire. So the point of coming up with this Hybrid Solutions HyperFoam product was to get deep into the rubber and remove those bonded or deeply embedded contaminants so your tire sidewall look as black as possible.
But then we also want to prep the tire so that when we go to put on a tire shine, it adheres properly, which makes the tire shine last longer, makes your tire look cleaner, just makes it look all around better.
So you can already see that foam has already started to turn brown, and it's really pulling out all that brownness, all the junk, all the debris outside the tire. And that's what I love about it, is you can see the instant reaction. For a better value, Turtle Wax also offers HyperFoam in a gallon concentrate version that you can dilute up to 2 to 1. So we're going to scrub the tire to help that product work in even more. Really make sure it does its job, so we'll get the tire a few times. And look at that foam. It's just, they weren't kidding when they said HyperFoam. Then we're going to take a bigger brush to get into the barrels of the rims to make sure it's all clean back there. You can see that foam reactivate, so if you think the foam's going away, you can kind of just reactivate that foam. Now that we've got it cleaned and scrubbed out, we're going to rinse away all the cleaner debris and reveal the nice clean rim. For those of you at home that may not have a pressure washer, you can use your garden hose and you're still going to get the same great results.
Check out and shop all of Turtle Wax's 2022 fan-requested innovations.